Hello students, and now we start the statistics numerical, the numerical of statistics. So the first chapter is measures of central tendency. The first chapter is measures of central tendency. In this, the first topic is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, or it is denoted by x bar. Arithmetic mean x bar. Okay. There are three series in the questions. First is individual series where only x is given. Second one, discrete series where x and f frequency is also given. And third one is class interval or continuous series like 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and frequency given. So first we start from individual series. Individual series. It has different method of calculating national income. The first one is direct method. Direct method. Direct method, the formula for direct method is x bar yani mean is equal to sigma x upon n. Sigma x upon n, or n is total number of items. जैसे 10 दिए x, तो that is n, total number of items. ठीक है, तो we have the chapter is measures of central tendency. We start the topic arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean, or it is also known as average. The individual series, there are three series: individual, discrete and continuous. So first we do individual series, direct method, x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. N is, sigma means total of x upon n. N is total number of items. And now we do the numerical by direct method. Question: calculate mean by, या अर्थमेटिक मीन भी कह सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट मेथड. कैलकुलेट मीन और अर्थमेटिक मीन बाय डायरेक्ट मेथड. Question is, data is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. ठीक है. Now x 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. The formula for x bar mean is sigma x upon n. Sigma means total of x upon n number of item. So here total of x 5, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 0, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 180. 180 upon n. N is total number of item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8. 8 to just 16. 8 to just 16. 22.5. The answer is 22.5. So this is the direct method of calculating mean in individual series. Only individual यानी only x is given. ठीक है. Now we will do second method, indirect assume mean or shortcut method. Indirect or assume mean or shortcut method. Indirect or assume mean or shortcut method. indirect or assume mean or shortcut method. The formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma d upon n. A plus sigma d upon n. A d is equal to x minus a assume mean, n total number of item. So here d means deviation. X bar is equal to a plus sigma d upon n. A assume mean, n dx x minus a assume mean, n total number of items. So this is the formula for indirect or assume mean method of indivisible series. X bar is equal to sigma x bar is equal to a plus sigma dx d upon x. A we can write small a also. Okay students. Now question, we take the same question as previous because we can use any method but answer will be same. जैसे calculate mean or arithmetic mean by assume mean method. Assume mean method or shortcut method. Assume mean method or shortcut method. X 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 40 only. ठीक है 40 तक लिया था. अब now solution x 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and now dx. D we find deviation of x minus a assume mean, we can take assume mean anyone from this. So we take 20 as an assume mean. So 5 minus 20 minus 15, 20 minus 10 minus 20 minus 10 minus 5 0 5 10 15 20. ठीक है. Now we do the total of this sigma d. तो माइनस प्लस कट गए, दिस वन ठीक है. माइनस 30 प्लस 30 कैंसिल 20 आ गया टोटल. अब x बार इज इक्वल टू a प्लस सिग्मा d अपॉन n. a assume mean is 20, sigma d also 20 upon 8. तो 20 plus 8 2 जा 16 4 5.5 22.5. तो आंसर विल बी सेम whether we use any method. ठीक है. तो here we calculate the arithmetic mean by assume mean method. X given था 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. D x minus a assume mean 20 माना, we take assume mean 20. तो x minus 20 तो minus 15 minus 10 minus 5 20 minus 20 0 5 10 20. ठीक है. x बार इज इक्वल टू a प्लस सिग्मा d अपॉन n. a assume mean 20, sigma d also 20 अपॉन n नंबर ऑफ आइटम 8. तो 20 प्लस 20 अपॉन 8 2.5. तो 22.5 इज द आंसर. तो दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ assume mean मेथड ऑफ इंडिविजुअल सीरीज. नाउ इट हैज अनदर मेथड, स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड. Every series has three methods: direct, assume mean, and step deviation method. Step deviation method. The formula for step deviation: x bar a plus sigma d dash upon n इंटू आई, और सी भी लिखा होता है या एच भी कह सकते हैं, एक ही बात है. सी या आई और एच भी कई जगह लिखा होता है. अब डी डैश होता है हमारा डी अपॉन आई. डी एक्स माइनस ए एज्यूम मीन, आई क्लास इंटरवल, या इसमें जो गैप होगा, क्योंकि इसमें क्लास तो नहीं है, इंटरवल जितना भी गैप है, और n टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइटम, n इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइटम। तो स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड का फॉर्मूला है x बार इज इक्वल टू a प्लस सिग्मा d डैश अपॉन n इंटू i और c, or in some places या some books h also written same thing, d dash is equal to d upon I, d is equal to x minus a assume mean, I interval, n total number of items। ठीक है, now we do question, the same question, calculate mean by step deviation method, deviation method। ठीक है, mean by step deviation method। तो x 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, x solution 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40। Now first we find d, x minus a, assume mean 20, in this time we can take 25। तो 5 minus 25 minus 20 minus 15 minus 10 minus 5 0 5 10 15। तो ये जरूरत नहीं है। नाउ वी फाइंड d डैश, d डैश d अपॉन i। तो d i इनका गैप 5 है, ठीक है, द गैप इज 5 5, तो d अपॉन 5, तो माइनस 20 अपॉन 5 माइनस 4 माइनस 3 माइनस 2 माइनस 1 0 1 2 3। तो सिग्मा d डैश 3 2 6 6 6 cancel minus 4। The formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma d dash upon n into I। The formula for mean is x bar is equal to a plus sigma d dash upon n into I। a assume mean is 25, sigma d dash minus 4 अपॉन n 8 और I 20, सॉरी I 5। तो ये आ गया हमारा 20 माइनस 20 अपॉन 8 प्लस माइनस माइनस 4 5 ज़ा 20, तो 20 माइनस 2.5। तो द आंसर, सॉरी 20 नहीं 25 माइनस 2.5 22.5। तो this is the answer। Answer will be same whether we use direct method, assume mean method or step deviation method। तो in this lecture we discuss about the mean, arithmetic mean of individual series। In individual series how we calculate the mean by direct method, indirect or assume mean method, and third one is step deviation method। Okay students, all the students must like my video, subscribe my channel, comment on it, so it will be very appreciable for me also, and all the students must share the video so that other student will also get the benefit of these videos। Okay student, thank you for watching this video।